Okay, guys, so we are going to talk about crypto security, and I'm going to talk to you guys about a client of mine or a student of mine who lost $8,000 today. And that's, everything that they had. So bear with me with this video. I want you guys to watch this video at least 2 to 3 times because this can happen to you if you're not careful. And just like all the other videos, I want you all to watch them at least 2 or 3 times if you're watching the playlist to digest this information. It's very, very important. So, this member of the group joined in the springtime and amassed $8,000 with the picks that we have. Okay. And this person decided to go outside of the realm of our um, crypto picks, and unfortunately decided to get into some meme coins and got into a whole other community. And somebody in that community said, hey, this is a link to, go to another community, and basically did what's called a wallet drain, which means when you click on this link, it syncs up to your wallet and sends all of the funds that's in your wallet to somebody else's wallet. Just like that. Everything that he had went to zero because they transferred it out. They sent it out just by clicking a random link. I'm telling you this to say, do not allow greed or being super curious take you off the path of what we have going on. Here at Soundworthy Investments Group, we are technical support and we are customer support. If you have questions about anything that's going on regarding crypto, we can answer it, which is why I have one-on-one mentorships. One-on-one mentorships are not about just getting paid. It's not about, I just want to get extra money. It's about situations like this that can be avoided. So you don't have to deal with the heartbreak of making all this money and then it going to zero. I don't know anybody else who offers this. You don't know anybody that offers this because this is something that's brand new and we're developing this, and it's going to keep getting better and better and better as time goes along, to where with a monthly membership of whatever dollar amount we have, you literally can call someone, set up a time to do a Zoom call, whichever one, more than likely set up a Zoom call with your monthly subscription and literally help you through figuring out how to transfer your money from your bank to a centralized exchange to a digital wallet. If you have issues with bridging to different blockchains, if you want more research on what crypto to invest in outside of the ones that we are invested in, those different things that we have are for your benefit. Greed can kick in when you're working, you're in our community and some of the picks aren't going as fast as you may want to, and you hear about another community and they're talking about how much money they've made. You get into that community and it's all a scam. It's all a scam. They're telling you to click this link. They're telling you to click this link, this address, send this money, we'll do it for you. All of those things are to scam you. All those things are to scam you. And we're here to tell you, hey, you have a mentor that will show you and investigate something that you may have a question about. That's why we have the tier levels. So if you do run across something and you have a question about it or you believe it's a good opportunity, what's $200 if they say you're going to make $10,000 to $20,000 to just make sure that it's legit? I can do blockchain forensics to make sure and I can actually look at how they set up whatever they said they're going to do, I can investigate. But 99 times out of 100, it's a scam. The reason being is, if it wasn't a scam, why am I not talking about it? Now, you may say, well, Darius, you don't know everything. I don't know everything, but I spend at least 2 to 3 hours researching about crypto almost every day, just researching on what's going on. 2 to 3 hours. I don't have a 9 to 5 job. As you guys know, I run a marketing company that markets artists, that markets businesses. We help businesses go to the next level in their sales through online marketing. Same with artists. We help artists grow their fan bases and things like that. That's what I do. So, in between the time of working with clients, I'm researching as a full time crypto investor. So, just to give you all the background of that, I haven't had a job since I was 17 years old. I started Mike Che Global when I was 21. I'm 32 now. I started Soundworthy Investments Group when I was 31. Hey, it is what it is. We're just moving this thing up by the ones, I guess. So we'll see where I'm at 41, right? But back to the main thing here. This is something that I do for a living. So I'm on top of it. And I've lost money as well. I've lost the money that you all want to make or will be cool with making, 50,000, 100,000. You want to be, in the millions and things like that. I've lost a lot of money to scams. I've woken up and all of my money is gone in my wallet, which is why I tell you guys to have multiple wallets. If you're going to do MetaMask, you're going to have multiple MetaMask wallets. You can't have all your money in one wallet. Just in case your curiousness gets to be too much and you want to do something risky, just create a whole new wallet. If you don't want to get the mentorship, if you don't want to, do those things and you want to just try something, just get a whole new wallet, send some money over there and bump your head. Now, for the people who don't want to bump their head and actually want to make money, because if you do that, and even if you have a fresh wallet, 99 times out of 100, you're still not going to make any money. You're just going to waste some time. You may lose a few $1,000s, but you're going to waste time doing that. And then you're going to go down a whole rabbit hole of stuff that you don't even need to be focused on. Whereas you could be focusing on what's working right now, being consistent, and learning how this whole crypto market is. People in the Telegram group, and by the way, on your 10th month, you get into the Telegram group if you're on the $50 a month plan, because the Telegram is $500 to get into that. We had a discussion about what this crypto market is. And I said it's like picking up a basketball for the first time and being thrown onto the field, basketball court rather, and your opponent is Michael Jordan, Kobe Bryant, LeBron James, Steph Curry, Kevin Durant, those type of players. That's who you're going up against. And also you're going up against players that invented the game of basketball. That's what you're up against. And you're also up against people who've scammed and hacked the game. Like, that's what you're coming up against. So you just listen to this person, listen to this YouTuber, listen to this Twitter guy, listen to this TikTok guy, and there's so much information. You got to do either one or two things, to be honest. One or two things. You either have to listen to everybody and listen to everybody one at a time and just get all the information and then try to do exactly what everybody is saying. Or you can listen to one person all the way through and just tunnel vision on what they say. That could be myself. That could be somebody else. But you have to be able to laser focus on something so you can see it all the way through to be sure if it's real and exact information or not. And I know you guys are building a rapport with me and you guys are learning with me. But the reason why Merkaba works with me is because I showed him that it's legit. And we've been in contact for years. And I was like, hey man, I'm doing this crypto thing. I want to build it up. I want to do X, Y, Z. And here we are. So watch this video a couple of times, guys. I do not want this to happen again. It's happened a few times in the past, but I decided to just make this video because I'm about to make another video as well today that I'm going to release. But this is 100% good intentions and from the heart. And my heart goes out to my student who lost the money. I'm talking with them right now and making sure that they're okay. But at the same time, I want to make sure this doesn't happen again to them or anybody else. And I want to make sure, we have private, discussions about what's going on and what happened and things like that and why. But moving forward, you guys have to focus in on security. Watch those security videos again and make sure your head is in the game, guys. You don't want to end this bull run with all this money and then lose it. Okay? So value the mentorships, value the time that you have, and value what we have as a community. Peace.